Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of the family. So today we are doing another unboxing, surprise, surprise, and it is the Ipsy Glam Bag, $12 bag for July 2020. Now, the thumbnails that I have seen for this have been pretty darn good, so I am super excited for this. Quick little insert, it is $12 a month. It is the first bag upgrade, whatever you want to call it, for Ipsy. It is 3 different tiers. You have this one, you have the plus, and you have the ultimate. So this one is the $12. I want to get into this because it looks really good from the thumbnails. I haven't seen what's in it, so I'm excited. So let's get into it. I'm like trying to rip into it. I don't like the bags this month, I will say that. All right, so we have a liner on the outside right away. Wow, excited. I love Thrive Causemetics, you guys, and this is a color that I will use, and it's, I don't know how to pronounce it, but let's see. Oh, I picked this. So I'm looking at my thing. I picked this. Good. I'm glad I picked this. I don't know how to pronounce it. Gizlan. It is a plum mauve. And let me read you just a little bit about it. It says, we've all seen lip liners, but never one like this. This multitasking pencil primes lines that defines and plumps all in one shot. The universally flattering plum mauve shade looks super pretty alone or when it's worn with your favorite matching lipstick. A combo of hydrating and plumping ingredients minimize the appearance of lip lines and give your pout a plush, pillowy effect. Fading and feathering, it's a thing of the past. This long-wearing waterproof formula keeps color on lock for flawless all day wear. It says not only is this lip liner high performing, it's cruelty-free and vegan too. And it is $20 for this liner, you guys. I'm so happy to have this. I forgot that I had picked this, obviously. So starting off, amazing. I've gotten one of their liners before, but it was like a purpley color that I won't wear. Wow, this is really pretty. So there's the color right there. I'm excited. That just like, that may, obviously $20, that's more than the bag. So here's our bag. Like I said, I'm not excited about them. The only thing that excites me is that little airplane. It's super cute. But other than that, I'm not excited at all for these bags. And the theme is take a break. And it, again, we'll read it one more time if you haven't seen the other videos. Airplane mode your phone. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room, a dance party, or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? So there's that. All right, so let's go ahead and reach in. Then well, I guess second item is a hand cream, and it looks pretty darn bougie. Don't know what it is, but let's see. Let's see what this says. It's really pretty. It looks nice to put into the your purse. So it's Ariul. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not gonna try. Fresh Herb Hand Cream. From hand washing to moisture zapping, air conditioning, the skin on your hands can lose moisture even in the summertime. We're loving this lightweight yet majorly hydrating hand cream to nix dryness in a snap. It's made with keratin, the stuff that keeps your hair and nails strong, to help strengthen your skin as well as your nails. A win-win. The texture is a light and airy, but feels so fresh on our skin, it doesn't feel the least bit greasy. The scent is delightful, just like a bundle of fresh herbs. We get so many compliments when we wear it. This is weighing in at 1.06 ounces, and it says, there's no way this is full size. Full size, $3.49. That's what it definitely says right there. Whether that's true, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, but let's see if the claims are right on how it says it smells so good. All right, so it is just like, you know, regular colored cream. So let's see how it smells. It has like a, I don't know what kind of smell that is, but it smells good. It doesn't smell bad. It's kind of a florally. It smells kind of like a rose, to be honest with you. For me, that's what it smells like. I'm probably wrong because I'm not very good, but it did rub right in and it feels nice. So I'm not saying that's a bad product at all. I'm already excited with the bag because of the Thrive. All right, the next product is something that I've already received, pretty sure in an Ipsy, which is the Naked Cosmetics Naturally Nude. So I'm not going to open this. 1 second, let me see if I do have it. Okay, so I do have this product. So I will show you mine, and I will put this one aside for a future giveaway. So it is very, very loose when you open it up. And let's see if I can do a swatch for you. They are pretty. It's just a pain in the butt because it's a loose pigment, but they are very pretty. So there is that color. God, I forgot how stunning that is. It is really pretty, you guys. So I will be putting that other one away for a giveaway, for a future giveaway, which is coming up, by the way. So once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing that giveaway. So please subscribe if you are not already. All right, moving on to the next product in the bag. And it is Skin Regimen Cleansing Cream, Anti-Pollution Face Wash. Okay, so not a bad product. Not saying anything bad about it. I'm not going to open it right now. It is a face cleanser. And there's one more thing in here. Oh, cool. And I believe this is new. I'm pretty sure. Because this is, yeah, because it's the green packaging. So this is the Will Powder Blush right here. Now, let me see if it says anything on here about it being the new one that they made for easy recycling. So it says, Will Powder Blush and Perseverance. Reach for the skin brightening blush on tired mornings. A few sweeps wake up your complexion faster than a shot of espresso. The most unpowdery powder ever, we think so. A trio of plant-based oils gives this formula an ultra silky blendable feel that's similar to a cream. Only good for you ingredients here. All natural blush is made without talc, synthetic binders, dimethicone, parabens, or polyethylene. Not only is the vintage style packaging super cute, it's made with a magnet-free closure, making it 100% recyclable too. So yes, that's what I thought. There's no magnet, and on the full-size one, there's like a certain way to open it. This one is stumping me, you guys. I don't know how to get it open. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't get it out of there. There we go. Here it goes. All right, so here is what the inside looks like. And that's enough. I mean, I don't need a full-size product of that at all. It's super pretty. So let's swatch her out. There's what she looks like. Oh yeah, that's a really pretty blush. And I love the Balm's blushes, so, and look at that sheen to it. That's really pretty. I'm super excited for this. Okay. Oh, and there you go. See, it tells you how you can pop out the pan so that you can just throw this in the recycling and get rid of the pan once you're finished with it. So let's recap our box. I'm kind of excited. I'm a little upset because I did see on somebody's Plus that they got a full-size Ofra highlighter. I'm a little salty. I thought maybe I would get one out of all 3 boxes, but I did not. So, but we got a Balm blush, which I'm super excited about because I love this. And I probably will get a lot more use out of this than I would the highlighter because I wear Benefits Cookie Highlighter like every day. I just hit pan today, so I'm super excited for that. Anyway, we're recapping. So we have the Will Powder Blush. We have a face cleanser. We have this nice looking lotion that is actually really pretty. We have the Naked Cosmetics Loose Powder right there. And the lip liner, which is amazing, and it makes the bag for me 100%. So let me know what you guys think. Do you get Ipsy? Did you get any of the same items that I get? I love telling or chatting with you guys and seeing what you got and comparing things. So please leave me a comment on that. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for being here. Like I said, don't forget to leave me a comment, like, subscribe. The giveaway will be coming when we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So please subscribe if you have not already. And that's it. So thank you again for being here. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.